Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glider on a controller. First, let's get your setup ready for an optimal flight experience. Make sure your controller is fully connected and recognized by your gaming system. Take a moment to fine-tune your sensitivity settings. A lower sensitivity often provides more precise control for delicate glider maneuvers. Also, quickly review the default button assignments for essential actions like pitch, roll, and camera views. This foundational preparation is key to smooth and enjoyable gliding. Now, let's dive into the fundamental controls for basic glider flight. Your left analog stick is crucial for pitch and roll, allowing you to ascend, descend, and bank left or right. The right analog stick usually manages your camera, giving you a full 360-degree view around your glider. Remember to gently feather your throttle, often on a trigger, to maintain optimal speed without stalling or overshooting your target. Practice these core movements to build muscle memory. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to explore some advanced gliding techniques. Look for thermal currents, often indicated by visual cues, to gain significant altitude effortlessly. Mastering coordinated turns, where you blend roll with a subtle pitch input, will make your maneuvers much smoother and more realistic. Don't forget to practice your landing approaches. A gentle, controlled descent and touchdown is a hallmark of a skilled glider pilot. These tips will elevate your flight. The key to becoming a proficient glider pilot on your controller is consistent practice. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes daily focusing on specific skills, like navigating tight spaces or long-distance flights. Don't hesitate to try out different glider models. Each one offers a unique feel and challenge. Engaging with online communities can also provide invaluable insights and new strategies from fellow enthusiasts. Most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the serene experience of gliding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.